boys and girls! It is great to see you today! I hope you had a good weekend. But today, in reading, we are going to read a story called Sometimes I'm Bombaloo and identify emotions. What are emotions? Can you tell me an emotion? Alright, let's get to our reading called Sometimes I'm Bombaloo. This story is by Rachel Vale and illustrated by Yumi Kyo. My name is Katie Honors, and I'm a really good kid. I smile a lot because I'm usually happy, and I give excellent hugs. I brush my teeth without being reminded too much. I can Velcro my own shoes and put my toys where they belong, including the ones with 60, 40, 80 small pieces. I remember about using my napkin and the magic word. I don't whine or stomp my feet or growl, even if my brother knocks down my beautiful castle I just built. And I told him not to touch it, and I'll never be able to get it to look that good again. Sometimes I can hold in the tears and the pushes and just say, that's okay. It's hard to do. But sometimes I'm Bombaloo. I show my teeth and make fierce noises. My face scrunches tight like a monster. I use my feet and my fists instead of my words. My toys end up all over the floor, and so does my brother. There's a lot of yelling when I'm Bombaloo, and some pointing at my bed. I have to go take time for myself and think about it. But when I'm Bombaloo, I don't want to think about it. I want to smash stuff. I can come out when I'm ready to control myself and say sorry to my brother. But while I'm Bombaloo, I'm not sorry. I'm angry. I hate everybody and everything, even my dog Vanilla, and my penny collection, and my blankie, and my mother, and all of the clothes in my drawers. I'm really mad. On their way out of the drawer, a pair of underpants land on my head, like a hat. When I laugh, I'm Katie Honors again. She looks like herself. And I'm sorry and a little frightened. And scary. It's scary being Bombaloo. My mother knows that. She hugs me. She helps me clean up the mess Bombaloo made. And then after some sorries and kisses for my brother, we build a new castle together. So Katie Honors in our story was really upset. She got very angry. Because when people do hurtful things, it makes you angry. Let's make a list of things together that make you angry or might bug you.